Sizing your air conditioner for your room. That's a hard thing to do. Duct mechanics usually figure 400 square feet per ton of air. The architects probably figure around 550. In practical, I would figure about 500 square feet per 1 ton of air conditioning. How do you figure out square feet? For example, a 10-foot wide by 10-foot long would be 100 square feet. A 10 by 20 would be 200 square feet. That's how you measure your area that you're trying to cool. Keep in mind poor insulation, high roofs, a lot of windows and glass. All that's going to use a more heat load. So you would need a little bit bigger to accommodate for a lot of glass, poor insulation, high ceilings. That just gives you a rough idea. In the Philippines, I don't know why they use horsepower. Basically, when they say it's a 1 horsepower unit, it's a 3/4 ton. Uh, uh, 2 horsepower is about a 1 3/4 ton. I don't know why they didn't use BTUs like the rest of the world. BTUs is 12,000 BTUs per 1 ton of air conditioning. They like to be different, I guess. So take care.